Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this. Pretty simple, pretty cool. That one has lines. This one doesn't have any line. Well, it actually does have lines, but they're not the black lines that define the curve. So if you want to take a screenshot for that, that's exactly what we're going after. So I drew a square. I made it 6 by 6. I'm with my edit corner ratio unlocked. I'm going to go 3 on that corner and 3 on that corner. I'm going to get that. Now I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to draw a 2-point line holding down the control button, then I'm going to hit P. Then I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees, and I'm going to hit P. And I do not know why that keeps coming up. Now, because I worked with a 3 or a 6-inch, I'm going to draw a 3-inch item. I'm going to hit P. Now, if you just select this shape and not the lines, and if you hit R, it'll put it to the side. Now, the only lines we need to delete is this line and this line. We don't need to delete the other lines because we're going to smart fill. So now we're almost 9 inches. We're going to set our nudge factor on 10. And we're going to take the smart fill tool and fill that in and move it over, fill that in and move it over. We're going to nudge these out of the way, and we're going to nudge these back. Doesn't really matter. Then we're going to take this smaller section and go to the interactive fill tool, and we're going to just swipe through and put a black in that corner. You could play around with that for 10 minutes, and make it better, whatever you feel like. I think that looks pretty good. Get the interactive fill tool and swipe down here, and let's put a black. We're almost done. I really want less black on this side. That looks pretty good. Now, group this together, Control G. If somebody could email me and tell me why that keeps popping up. Control D to make a duplicate. Double click and put your rotation on this, and because we're working with a square, it'll rotate perfectly. And then Control D, Control D. That looks within itself pretty cool, but because of the fact that we're going to use the interactive fill tool, and we could bring in other colors. Now they're grouped together, but you don't have to ungroup them because this is going to do both of them. It actually shows you both interactive fill tool. It's kind of a neat, if you had them ungrouped, you'd have to go and select each one. And of course, hopefully you do better on colors than I'm doing. But that's a pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.